Hi guys, and welcome to Total Technik. In this video we're going to be showing you how to remove the front wing from the Audi A6, S6 or RS6. Both the Saloon and the Avant have these same types of wings. One thing to point out before we jump into this video is that removing a wing is actually more involved than you might initially think. You've actually got to do quite a lot of work to get this little bad boy removed. So if you're removing it because you've got damaged, it might actually be a little bit cheaper and easier to get it resprayed or something of that nature, rather than to remove it. Obviously if you're upgrading, if you're going from something like the wide wheel arch or something like that, like we have on this RS6, and of course that's a completely different story. So do bear that in mind. It is quite an involved job, but let's take a look at what's involved.